Hi everyone, this is Larry over at MarineMax in Jacksonville. And today we're going to take you on a tour of this 2024 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. Not only is it an amazing fishing machine, but it has creature comforts for the entire family, a cabin down below that you can overnight on, and amenities throughout the boat from bow to stern. Let's start up at the front of this boat here where you can see this huge seating area, the bow seating that is nice and cushioned. The table will drop down electronically, and we've got a pad to cover that to make this an entire sun lounge. You've got nice adjustable backrests here that flip up, and of course you can't miss the giant lounge seat in front of the console. Super comfortable, armrest, cup holders, charging ports for your phone. It's a great place to lay out and get some sun. And underneath is a huge storage compartment that has dive tank storage and racks, plenty of storage for all of your gear down below, keeps it nice and dry, the deck uncluttered, and as you can see, this is the cushion when this table drops down electronically for that sun pad. Let's go back to the cockpit, take a look at what we've got back there. You're gonna see creature comforts all throughout the boat, and as we head down the gunnels, this boat even has trolling seats on the port and starboard side that are underneath the T-top, so when you're fishing and you just want to check out your lines in the back, it's a great place to sit and stay in the shade. Extra seating for your crew. Come on back and take a look at the cockpit area. But before you do, you can grab a drink from the refrigerator freezer combination that's on the port side at the helm. Great place to get drinks and keep your food nice and ice cold. Back here, we've got a huge seating area with a rear-facing bench, a fold-away rear bench seat, and also a seat on the side that folds away on the starboard as well. This boat is equipped with a power sunshade that comes out of the hardtop out to about here to shade this entire cockpit area as well. Great for those warm summer days when you want a little bit more shade. Let's take a look at how this converts into an incredible fishing cockpit by folding the bench seats away. And now you can see all the space that we've got back here with two huge fish boxes, one port and one starboard. We've got our dive ladder here that drops out over the side door, so if you're diving, it's a great way to get in and out of the boat with all your gear on. We've got a big live well back here in the transom. Keep all your live bait nice and fresh. Rod holders throughout the gunnel. And one of the neat features about this boat is the Seakeeper. That's the gyroscopic stabilizer that keeps the boat from rolling. It makes this an incredible fishing platform and very comfortable for the entire family. Now we're going to take a look down below at the cabin, and you can see the amenities on this 380 Outrage. We've got an air-conditioned cabin down below. I'm going to step down here and we'll just take a quick peek at this large berth down below, which will convert to a little dinette simply by flipping over a cushion, give you a little bit more seating area, some cup holders. We've got rod storage in here, a beautiful glass bowl sink, microwave up top, full separate stand-up head that has a beautiful teak bench that lays down in case you want to sit and take a shower inside. And this is obviously air conditioned as well. Incredible boat for overnight trips. And at the helm, you're going to see some beautiful teak accents in the seating, in the armrest, the toe kicks on the boat, and on the dash as well. Very well appointed. We also have our AC vents here because the helm area is also air conditioned. This boat is powered by Mercury's V12 600 horsepower engines. An incredible amount of power, 2-speed transmissions, put this boat up on plane so quickly, very efficiently, and super quiet. This boat is also equipped with a bow thruster as well as a joystick for the ultimate in control. This boat is extremely nimble. We've got a Simrad multifunction display, gives us all of our engine data. It's going to give us our systems data, electrical, plumbing, etc. It's going to give us navigation and of course sonar. This boat also has an open array radar as well as a remote control spotlight as well. Excellent JL audio system throughout the boat. We've got a control right here on the dash. We've got a full control up on the starboard side, and there are remotes strategically placed throughout the boat that are wireless as well. This is an incredibly well thought out fishing machine. If you'd like to see it or take a sea trial, give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thanks again for checking out this Boston Whaler 380 Outrage.